Jai Hind, Saraswati Sisukunj Vagwala Borsad, English Medium, Standard 5th, Subject EVS. As you know that we are continuing with the chapter number 7, Every Drop Counts. Okay, in first part of this chapter, we learned that water is very precious, right? Water is so much important. And after that, we started one story of King Gadsi, who was very intelligent and kind king of Jaisalmer, which is in Rajasthan. I told you, during his ruling time, 1 year there was no rain inside Rajasthan. So people who were living in Rajasthan or Jaisalmer, they were thinking that now how they will get water for their farms and for their day-to-day life. It was very serious matter because water is directly connected with our lives. So king thought a structure of a lake and he made Gadsi Sir Lake. Now here Sir means lake and Gadsi is the name of a king. So the name of the lake was Gadsi Sir Lake. And as we know the structure of a lake, there are 9 interconnected lakes. They are internally connected with each other. When one gets filled up, the remaining water will flow into the second one. Then if second is filled, then it will move towards third, like that 9 lakes which is built inside the Jaisalmer. We also learned that there are many ghats, verandas and decorated rooms which are on that nearby that lake, on that ghats. And there are steps which will lead you towards the water, and by using those steps people use water which is stored inside that lake. And we also understand about the current situation of those lakes, that those lakes are now not in use. There are many colonies and buildings came in between of that 9 lakes. Now they are not more in use. Now here this was old time, we can say that was your old time, in which there are many things which is used to store water. But right now, if we talk about right now current condition, look around, just see nearby your house there are roads, fields, open land, right? Many houses are present, colonies are there, streets are there, roads are there, right? So some roads which are slopy, right, and some drainage are also present in a side of those roads. So what do you think, if it will rain, and where does that water will go, that rain water, where does it will go? It will flow on that roads. If it is on the field, then that field or land will absorb it. But what about now? Look, if you are living in a city, there is a different condition. If you are living in a village, there is a different condition. More roads are present in cities, more population is in cities, right? But there is a shortage of water in city. Most of the time we have observed that, because there are roads and water will flow from the road and just mix into the drainage system, right? Means the water is wasted. But in villages, if you'll observe, there are many kind of structures like ponds, lakes and wells which is nearby fields and farms, right? So they can store water in those kind of structure. In old days there are many kind of structure. If I can give example, like ponds, lakes, johars, some small ponds in the farm, you can see step wells are there, right? And sometimes people can used to keep a water tank nearby the roads, so they can give that water to thirsty travelers and animals too, right? So these are the structure which is in the village. In old times people were using this kind of arrangements to store water. As I told you, water is need of everyone, right? If it is a businessman or a people who lives in a village, it is essential for agriculture too, means for farms, right? For fields it is so much important. If this kind of structure, I told you, lakes, ponds and those kind of structure, if it is there on the field, it will keep that land wet and it will keep it very fertile, right? It was explanation about village, but what about cities now? So there is a method which is called rainwater harvesting. Now what is rainwater harvesting? This rainwater harvesting means it is one method of collecting and storing. Look, Rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and storing. Two words are important: collecting and storing. What you will store and collect? Rainwater, right? Collecting and storing rainwater for future use, right? Rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. Once again, let me repeat. Rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and storing rainwater for future use, right? Okay, so understand the definition. Now, how it works? What are the arrangement which is required for rainwater harvesting? So, look, rainwater is directly collected from your rooftops or terrace, we can say. Now, on the terrace or on the rooftop, if there are network of pipe, or we can say there is one pipe which is connected with your roof or terrace. Now that pipe or network of pipe will goes down and it will be connect inside underground water tank, the tank which is under the ground. If you have a house, right, so you need to build a tank which is under the ground, right, and that pipe will get connected with that underground water tank. Now whenever it will be rain, means if we talk about rainy season, that rainwater will fall on your roof, on your terrace, and that rainwater from that network of pipe, or we can say single pipe, right, it will go inside your underground water tank, right, and it will be as your water storage. So that is harvesting, means to store, to save. That is your harvesting. And what we are harvesting, what we are saving, that is rainwater. And as we all know that rain is only source of clean water, pure water, right, for the earth. So this is your rainwater harvesting. How to harvest rainwater? Now there is underground water tank. Now that water you can use when it is scarcity of water, right? Or if you want to irrigate your farm, if you want to irrigate your garden, right, your household things like bathing, cooking, sometime you can use that water for washing clothes and many other purposes. Do you understand? Now we understand rainwater harvesting, correct, but what are its advantages? What are its advantages? So first one, it will increase availability of water. Now what is the meaning of availability? Availability means it is available for use, right? So you have regular water tank. If you talk about a municipality water, right, it will store in that regular water tank. And if additional you have underground water tank, means for rainwater harvesting, so now you have more water, means water is more available for your use. So it will increase availability of water, right? It will increase underground water level. Now how underground water level, how it will increase? Look, if you have water inside your home, so you are not going to take water out from the underground water level like pond, rivers, lakes, right? This all get water from underground water and rain. So if you have water tank at your home, so you are not going to you are not going to use other sources, right? So this is, it will increase underground water level. It will increase quality of underground water level too. The quality of underground water level will also increase. It will reduce soil erosion. Now you will think how? As you are collecting rainwater, it will not flow on the ground and your soil will not get eroded. It will not washed out with that rain water, right? It stops water from flowing away and getting wasted. Most of the time you are observing that rainwater is just flowing on the ground, right? Children are dancing inside the rain and all the things you are doing, but the water which flows on the ground, it is just wasted, right? So it will reduce that amount of wasted water, right, and we can use it very well. So this was your rainwater harvesting. Let's go again quickly through rainwater harvesting. First one, definition, see here. Rainwater harvesting is method of collecting and storing. Collecting and storing, and method, these three words are important. Rainwater harvesting is method of collecting and storing rainwater for future use, right? How easy definition? Okay, so steps if you want to write, right? First one, we will collect water, or we can say rainwater, directly from your rooftops or terrace. There are network of pipes or network, one you can say one single pipe which is connected with your roof or terrace, it will go and it will get connect with your underground water tank, right? Understand? Network of pipe, or we can say one single pipe which connects your roof and which connects your underground water tank, right? When it will rain, that water which falls on your rooftop or which falls on your terrace will be go with that pipe inside the water tank, and it will get stored for future use. You understand, right? What are advantages? So it will increase the availability of water, it will increase underground water level, it will increase quality of underground water level, it will reduce soil erosion, right? It will reduce the water which flows on the road and get wasted. So that are your advantages, right? I think you understand properly that today's important topic was rainwater harvesting. So let's go through exercise of this topic. Okay, so let's say exercise first one, fill in the blanks. In that first, rainwater harvesting is method of blank and blank rainwater for future use. Rainwater harvesting, if you remember definition, rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. So what will be answer? Collecting and storing rainwater for future use. Okay, see second number, water is essential for agriculture. Let's write agriculture. Okay, now see third number, rainwater harvesting reduces soil. In advantages of rainwater harvesting, I told you rainwater harvesting reduces soil erosion. Okay, let's see 4 number, water collected by rainwater harvesting is used during a blank of water. Again, water collected by rainwater harvesting is used during scarcity of water. Right? Okay, so let's go for answer in short or one sentence we can say. First one, which structure were used to collect and store water in old days? Right? Which structure is used in olden days to collect and store water? So ponds, lakes, step wells and johars. These are the structure which is used in old days to store water, right? Again, well, step well, johars, right? Pond, lake. So these are the structure. So let's write answer now. So answer is, there were ponds, lakes, step wells and johars used to collect and store rain water. Let's go for second number question. What is rainwater harvesting? So important definition. It can be asked as define the following. It can be asked for one sentence question answer. It can be asked as fill in the blanks. It can be asked as name the following. Right? A method of collecting and storing rainwater for future use is called blank. So rainwater harvesting. It can be asked in various types of questions, right? So what will be our definition? Let's see definition. Answer is, rainwater harvesting is method of collecting and storing rainwater for future use, right? So this was your one sentence question answer. Still answer in detail are remain, which are so much important. Before that, just take a look of this. Okay, so let's go for answer the following in detail. First one, explain rainwater harvesting in detail. Now here, rainwater harvesting in detail means you have to start answer with definition. Then you have to write the steps that if you know, first we'll write definition, right? I'm not going to repeat it, so easy. That rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and storing rainwater for future use, right? Now what you will write, that rainwater harvesting, for rainwater harvesting we are going to use rooftops and terraces. right? So we just have to write that rooftops is connected with the tube or network of a tube which connects and which goes into the underground water tank, right? And when it will rain, it will collect that water, it flows from pipes, it goes into underground water tank, and we can store that water in the tanks, right? And we can use it for our purpose. So let's see that what are the steps and how we have to write answer. Let's see answer. So here is your answer. See here, definition, and these are the points that you need to write in detail explanation. See here, rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. I am sure now you will by heart it, right? See, first point here, water is collected from rooftops because we will collect water from the roof. So that is why it is written water is collected from rooftops. Network of pipes or single pipe is connected to rooftops. Single pipe or network of pipe we have to connect to the rooftops. During the rain, the water from roof goes into the pipes. Water from the roof will go into the pipes. These pipes carry the water to the underground tanks. As I told you that underground tank and your rooftop both are connected. So these pipes will carry water into the underground tank. The water is used during the scarcity of water. When it is scarcity of water, so we can use this water which is collected in your underground tanks. Okay, let's go with second number question. What are the benefits of rainwater harvesting, right? What are the benefits, advantages? So let's see answer here. So answer is here, increase in availability of water. If you are doing rainwater harvesting, so water is more available. Increase underground water level, because we no need to use underground water now because we have our own water in our tanks. It reduces soil erosion and pollution of water bodies. If you are not using water sources like pond, rivers and lakes, right, so it will not get polluted more, right, and it will reduce soil erosion because now no more water is flowing on the ground. Okay, next one, it stops water from flowing away and getting wasted. If you are not storing it, the rainwater will flow, it will be wasted, it will go and mix into the drainage, and that water is wasted, we can say. So this rainwater harvesting has this many advantages. I hope you understand. Just take a look of this question answer in detail. So I hope you understand today's important topic, that is rainwater harvesting. Please do your worksheet carefully. This both answer in detail are so much important. Definition of rainwater harvesting is also important. Thank you. Just do it carefully. Thank you so much.